Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys this net 30 account that you can go ahead and apply for so that you can begin building your business credit. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump straight into this video. Alright you guys, so if today is your first time here, welcome. I am Tiara, and on this channel I teach you guys everything related to business and finance. And in today's video, I'm going to show you this net 30 account that you can go ahead and use in order for you to go ahead and generate a business credit score for your business within the next 30 to 90 days. So the company that we're going to discuss today is called Summer Office Supplies. Now with Summer Office Supplies, you're able to buy any kind of item that your office may need in order for you to have pens, markers, filing folders, envelopes, anything that you may need in your office. This is going to be the company to help you generate that business credit score. So with Summer Office Supplies, if this is not your first time being here, you guys already know I always tell you to make sure that you spend at least $50 with these net 30 vendors in order for you to generate a business credit score. You want to make sure that you spend $50 on this website. And I know you guys are saying, I can just go into Walmart or Target and I can get these supplies from there, and it may even be cheaper. But like I always tell you guys, in order for you to begin having a personal credit score, a business credit score, or whatever, you always have to spend money in order to get money. Unfortunately, that's the world that we live in, and that's the way things are set up. In order for you to begin building your business credit score, it's going to be the same way with personal credit. You're going to have to spend money in order for you to get that score up and running. But once you begin to apply for these net 30 accounts, after you have applied for them and you move out of tier 1 in building your business credit, you will not have to continue spending money in order to have a business credit score and to get things within your business name. So this is only temporary. You have to spend the money now, but in the long run, it's going to pay off so that you don't have to continue to spend money, but they're actually going to start giving you more money in your business name. So now on this website, we're going to check out exactly how you can use the Summer Office Supplies in order for you to go ahead and get that business credit score. So to create an account with Summer Office, you'll need to create a user ID, a password, your email address, which I highly recommend that you use your business email because this is for business purposes. You're going to enter a referral code if you have one, and you also have to just retype your password. And that's all they're going to ask you in order for you to get this started. So I already have an account, so I'm not able to go ahead and walk you through the actual steps. But once you come off of page 1, on page 2 is going to ask you business information about your actual business entity. Before you apply with Summer Office, you want to make sure you have your LLC, your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet number, your business email address that you use for everything. You want to make sure you have your business address that you use for everything. Anything that you are applying for in your business name, you want to make sure that your address and your email and everything that you are using and putting on these net 30 accounts, that it always matches what you are registering your business as under your Secretary of State, as well as with your EIN number and your Dun & Brad. Because once it's time for you to move to tier 2 and tier 3 in building your business credit, you want all of your information to always match what's on file so that they don't question your applications and that it don't hold up the process with you getting more business credit within your business name. So once you have went to page 2 and you fill out that information pertaining to your business, you're going to go to page 3, and that's going to be the authorized officer information, which is going to be your information. So the information that they get from you will not be used in order to see if you can apply for this net 30 account. They just always have to have your information on file to make sure that you hold at least 25% of your company and that you're able to pay those payments on time, and to make sure that if you were to default on your payments, that they will have your information for those purposes as well. So once you have activated your account by putting in that information, according to the frequent asked questions, it tells you you may use Summer Office Supplies Net 30 account to purchase any of our digital/downloadable products during checkout. click on the button that says Build My Net 30 account. You will be sent a digital invoice to your registered email address. So when it's time for you to make that payment, once you guys have went on here and you've spent $50, you may pay your bill between 1 and 29 days from the date of your purchase. So keep in mind that the system does not take note of prompt, slow, or late payers. So once you have spent at least $50 or more with using some of office supplies, you want to make sure that you pay your bill anywhere between 1 and 29 days later from your purchase date, in order to make sure that this is reported onto your business credit reports and that it's in good standing. You want to try to aim anywhere between day 15 and day 20 to make sure that this is reported in a good time and that it looks good on your business credit report. So when it comes to building your business credit score with these Net 30 accounts that I have given you guys within my latest videos, you don't need nothing but around 3 to 4 accounts to hit your business credit reports before you can move to tier 2. So with Net 30 accounts, these are considered tier 1 accounts, and that's the reason why you have to pay money in order to use these companies so that you can generate that business credit score. But once you get that business credit score, you can then move to tier 2, and once you're into tier 2, you won't have to spend money in order for you to actually have a business credit score, in order for you to build that business credit score, or for you to begin getting things within your business name. So right now we're in the phase where you're only generating a business credit score, but make sure that you are subscribed to the channel if you find these videos to be helpful, because in the upcoming videos we'll begin to talk about tier 2 accounts, and with those tier 2 accounts you're able to go ahead and start getting money from these different companies to get the funding that you may need depending on your business finances. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about anything related to Net 30 accounts before we get into building tier 2 accounts within your business credit scores, make sure you let me know down in the comments so that I can answer those questions before we begin to move on to tier 2 accounts. So again, I am Tiara Pace. On this channel, I teach you guys everything related to business and finance. And let me know down in the comments if you are enjoying this kind of content so I can know what kind of videos to continue putting out for you guys to help you build the generational wealth for you and your family. I am Tiara, and I will see you guys back here on my next video. Bye.